Hello guys, Honor has finally revealed the Honor 70 series with three models: Honor 70, 70 Pro and 70 Pro Plus. The phone set to go on sale in China from 7 June. The Honor 70 series aim more toward the affordable flagship market. Coming to the design, the Honor 70 is obviously the most basic phone in the series, but it still seems impressive enough. The slimless and lightest of the phone, weight just 178 grams and 7.91 mm thick. Very comfortable to hold all day. Very sleek design, glossy finish on the back with two separate round shaped camera bump on it. It comes in 4 color variant: black, green, blue and silver. Coming to the display, it comes with 6.6 full HD plus curved OLED display, 10-bit panel, 1 billion color, 120 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 ratio with punch-hole selfie camera shooter that contains 32 megapixel HDR wide f2.4 aperture, 1080p at 30 fps. On the back side, there are triple camera setup which have the brand new Sony IMX 800, a 1x1.49 sensor with 54 megapixel main camera, f1.9 aperture, wide PDF. This Sony sensor helps capture the more light for brighter and detailed images, especially in video, backlit and nighttime scenarios. Also equipped with a 50 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 122 ultra wide degree that double as micro lens, and an 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture depth lens, dual LED flashlight, HDR panorama, 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps video supported. The Honor 70 series has added one more new feature that calls a vlog mode, which uses AI of the camera to keep you and your subject in frame. The phone can record video with front and back camera with stabilization and AI beautification applied. Coming to the specification, this variant comes in Snapdragon 778G plus 5G processor with 3 RAM ROM option along with Android 12 Magic UI 6.1. Here are the details. Coming to the battery, it has 4800 mAh battery with fast charging 66 watt. Also it has under display fingerprint sensor. Coming to the Pro variant, first about the design, this variant looks more impressive with new colors and diamond shaped pattern on the back side with 4 color: black, gold, green and white. Only the difference between 70 and 70 Pro, 70 Pro Plus is about chipset. Both variant have similar specification like display. 70 Pro and 70 Pro Plus have same 6.7-inch OLED curved display, 10-bit 120 Hz refresh rate with under display fingerprint sensor. Also got same punch-hole selfie camera shooter with 50 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 100 ultra wide HDR, 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps lens in both 70 and 70 Pro Plus. Moving on the back side, all three models have same Sony IMX 800 sensor, 54 megapixel f1.9 wide PDF lens, 50 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 122 ultra wide with 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, telephoto 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. Also moving on the important upgrade, the solo cut mode vlog feature I have mentioned before that tracks a specific person in a group video and 2 high definition videos. Moving on the specification, the Honor 70 Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8000 which has 3 RAM ROM option, 256GB 8GB, 256GB 12GB and 512GB 12GB. On the other hand, the 70 Pro Plus has MediaTek Dimensity 9000 with 2 RAM ROM option, 256GB 8GB and 256GB 12GB with Android 12 Magic UI 6. On the battery section, both have 4500 mAh battery with 100 watts of fast charging which can charge 16% in 15 minutes. Here are the detail and price. Hope you guys like the video. Thanks for your love and support. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribe. Keep loving, keep sharing. See you in the next video. Peace out.